So here we have the Hyundai i30 on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. We've also got that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside as I mentioned. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the digital readout for the speedometer. Beneath that, the total miles of this car, they're 46,863. You can change the information displayed in that section. We're on the driving data menu at the moment. There are other menus available to you as well, all of which are accessed using the buttons just here. We have our cruise control over that side as well, and lane departure warning system, stereo controls and phone controls on the left hand side. You'll only be able to use the phone controls once you pair the phone up to the car, and that is done over on the touchscreen in the center. You can either use the physical buttons down the right and left hand sides, or just go in via all menus. You can see you can pair your phone here. When it comes to music, we have the radio, of course, DAB, FM and AM, as you can see. If you want to listen to your own music, you would tap the media just here. It's grayed out because nothing is connected. You can connect up a USB device. Once you've paired your phone, you can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And depending on what phone you've got, we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available just there as well. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see a full color reversing camera with guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen. And then working our way down, we have the fan speed, the temperature, and the direction you'd like to distribute the air in. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning on. Same button will turn that off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. It's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you've set over there. We've got a heated rear screen as well. This button will divert the car's air conditioning to the front screen for you. Below that, we have two 12-volt charging sockets, our USB input, 6-speed manual gearbox. You can turn your parking sensors on and off from here. And down the bottom here, you can change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put the vehicle into normal, sport or eco. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.